Hey guys, it's Matt here with WTI. I was in need of a new book bag and I didn't have to look any further than this one right here. It's great because the shoulder strap can be adjusted for if you're taller or shorter, whatever height you want to have it at your side. And it's wonderful. Even these clasps are good and strong magnets, which is nice. And the pockets inside have many different areas so that you can put whatever you want in there. Holds laptops, binders, books, iPads, tablets, whatever. And the nice thing is too, if it gets a little bit thicker by putting all of that stuff in there, these are adjustable as well so that they can still close. Now, I love the quality of it. It's amazing. It's nice canvas material, so it's very durable. And the leather straps are really nice, high quality. Even the stitching. I've been using this now for quite some time, and it has not shown any signs of wear. It's been fantastic. I would recommend this to anyone. This bag is wonderful. It's got a nice zipper closure inside, and it's got a nice even zipper pocket on the back side of it. And it is fantastic. And if you don't even want to use the shoulder strap, you don't have to. You can take it off and just carry it around with the handle, which is also a wonderful feature that it has. And I would recommend this to anyone. And that's just my point of view.